Maria's Family Celebration, written by Mary Beth Boltz, illustrated by Angela Kamstra Jacobson. Maria's Family Celebration. It is Mexican Independence Day. Maria and Louis are getting ready for a big party. We can decorate the house, says Maria. Let's paint a picture of our family. Mama was born first. She is the oldest, says Maria. Papa was born second, Maria says. He is 1 year younger. Next is Emily, says Maria. She is Mama and Papa's first child. After Emily, you were born, says Louis. That's right, says Maria. I am Mama and Papa's second child. What about me? Asks Louis. You were the last to be born, says Maria. You are the youngest. There, says Maria. Our family picture is done. Green, white, and red are the colors of the Mexican flag, says Maria. Maria and Louis blow up 5 green balloons. They blow up 5 white balloons and 5 red balloons, too. I'm out of breath, says Louis. Let's see, says Maria. We painted a picture first. We blew up balloons second. The third thing we can do is fill the piñata. Maria gets the striped fish piñata from the shelf. Maria and Louis stuff the piñata with candy. When Louis thinks Maria isn't looking, he pops a piece of candy into his mouth. Maria gives him a hug. You are silly, she says. Papa hangs the piñata. We need a blindfold, says Maria. We need a stick to break the piñata too. Abuela finds a red checked scarf for Maria and a long stick for Louis. The piñata is ready, says Maria. The fourth thing to do is practice dancing, Louis. Maria and Louis dress in their party clothes. Then they dance and spin. Soon the house fills up with food, family, and music. There are 6 cousins, 2 aunts, 3 uncles, and 3 grandparents. There is Papa, Mama, Emily, Maria, and Louis too. There is one last thing we can do, Maria says, and it's the most fun. What is it? Asks Louis. Celebrate, says Maria.